Imagine a world where the intricacies of cryptocurrency meet the familiarity of traditional stock market investments. That's the fascinating realm of Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, or Bitcoin ETFs for short. But what exactly is a Bitcoin ETF? In the simplest terms, a Bitcoin ETF is an investment fund traded on stock exchanges, much like shares. This fund closely tracks the value of Bitcoin, allowing investors to buy into the fund and indirectly invest in Bitcoin without actually owning the digital currency. In essence, a Bitcoin ETF bridges the gap between conventional trading and the somewhat intimidating world of cryptocurrencies. Now, you might be wondering, how does a Bitcoin ETF compare to a traditional ETF? Well, they're similar in many ways. Both Bitcoin ETFs and traditional ETFs are designed to track the value of an asset or a group of assets. Take a traditional ETF, for example. It might track the performance of an index like the S&P 500, a particular sector like technology, or a commodity like gold. On the other hand, a Bitcoin ETF tracks the price of Bitcoin. But here's where the key difference lies: the underlying asset. In a traditional ETF, the underlying assets could be stocks, bonds, or commodities. However, in a Bitcoin ETF, the underlying asset is, you guessed it, Bitcoin. The beauty of Bitcoin ETFs is that they allow investors to participate in the Bitcoin market without the complexities of buying and storing Bitcoin directly. They offer a way to gain exposure to Bitcoin while leveraging the benefits of traditional ETFs like liquidity, transparency, and accessibility. Of course, like any investment, Bitcoin ETFs are not without risks. The value of Bitcoin can be highly volatile, which means the value of a Bitcoin ETF can also fluctuate greatly. However, for those interested in the potential of Bitcoin but wary of the complexities of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin ETFs present a compelling alternative. They can be a stepping stone into the cryptocurrency market, a way to dip a toe into the Bitcoin waters without diving in head first. So, if you're intrigued by the world of cryptocurrencies, but find yourself more comfortable in the realm of traditional investments, why not consider exploring Bitcoin ETFs further? Expand your knowledge, do your research, and who knows? You might find that Bitcoin ETFs are the perfect blend of the familiar and the innovative, the old and the new. Remember, the world of investments is ever evolving. Staying informed and adaptable is the key to navigating it successfully. And as you venture into the exciting world of Bitcoin ETFs, may your journey be both enlightening and profitable.